Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to back up files with Proton Drive in 2026. So if you want to keep your important files safe and prevent data loss, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Proton Drive account. Once you're inside, you'll see your main dashboard with all your files and folders. Next, organize the files you want to back up. You can create folders for documents, photos, or important data to keep everything structured. Now select the files or folders you want to back up. Make sure you include all important data you don't want to lose. Next, click Upload and add your selected files to Proton Drive. This will store them securely in the cloud. Now wait for the upload to finish. Larger files may take a bit longer depending on your internet speed. Next, check your uploaded files in Proton Drive storage. This confirms your backup was successful. Now make it a habit to back up your files regularly so your important data always stays safe and updated. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your files with Proton Drive. Now your data is secure, protected, and accessible anytime you need it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Hey everyone!